Have you ever hit pay at checkout, only to be stopped cold by a payment failed message? It is incredibly frustrating. But that red error text is actually a high-speed security protocol protecting your funds. An authorization failure means the communication between the merchant and the bank was interrupted. Industry data shows human error is the biggest culprit. A mistyped card number, an incorrect CVV, or the wrong expiration date instantly blocks a payment. Another major trap is the billing address. If the zip code does not perfectly match the bank statement, the transaction fails. There are also hidden security triggers. Modern fraud detection systems are hypersensitive. A sudden large purchase or making several small purchases in rapid succession can trigger a velocity check, causing the system to suspect fraudulent activity. For digital wallet users, failures often happen because the secure device token has desynchronized. To fix an authorization error, manually re-enter your card details and billing zip code instead of using autofill. If it still fails, check your banking
let's
app.
check this.
Often there is a security alert waiting for your approval.
Now, the laptop.
A quick confirmation tap is usually all it takes to clear the block and
Email
complete the
sent.
purchase.